Our beloved Boss Mike Cervera.
Hindi inaalis ng isang abogado ang posibilidad na maantala ang confirmation of charges ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa International Criminal Court kung magdesisyon itong palitan ang kanyang legal team. Inihayag ito ni ICC Assistant to Counsel Attorney Cristina Conti sa panayam ni Pinky Webb sa programang On Point ng Bilyonaryo News Channel. Nakatakda sa February 23 ang naturang pagdinig matapos magdesisyon ng ICC Pretrial Chamber na fit to stand trial si Duterte kaugnay ng kanyang kasong crimes against humanity. Would it change? For example, it happens, would that in any way affect this confirmation of charges on February 23? Tanong ni Webb. Sagot naman ni Conti, well yes, because if on February 23rd, Duterte has no lawyer, then is unsuited in a sense, then the pre-trial chamber will have to make sure that he would have a counsel. Pero paliwanag niya, the thing is, this has already been scheduled. This has already been set up, so most probably, it will push through. However, it could be deferred as to the option for the defense. So it's a ball game, of course. It's something political because you could really stymie or hinder the proceedings with such obstructionist activities, dagdag pa niya. Nang tanungin naman kung may posibilidad na mangyari ito, sa tingin ni Conti maaari subalit may opsyon din aniya ang pre-trial chamber na magtalaga ng the official counsel. Inihayag naman ni Conti na pwede pa rin magpalit na abogado ang isang akusado. Yes, it's always upon the discretion of the suspect or the accused. It's a fiduciary relationship, so kapag nawalan ka ng tiwala, hindi ka naman pwedeng pilitin yung isang tao, ayon sa kanya. Kasunod ito ng panawagan ng ilang taga-suporta ni Duterte na magpalit na ito ng mga abogado dahil mas madalas umanong pagkabigo sa mga inihahaing motion o petisyon sa ICC. Ni Boss Mike Cervera, ito po si Anino TV na nagsasabing mahalin natin ang ating kapwa, ipagdasal po natin lagi ang ating bansa. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi. Saan man dako ng mundo naroon kayo at syempre, magandang buhay na rin para sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Our beloved Boss Mike Cervera.